The Oracle Dual Boiler's Auto MilQ helps you achieve cafe-quality, silky microfoam, whether you use dairy, soy, almond, or oat. Here's everything you need to know about milk texturing with Auto MilQ. Before you begin texturing, double-tap the milk icon to purge the steam wand. This will stop automatically. Let's start with learning how to adjust the milk temperature and texture for your chosen milk. Begin with fresh, cold milk, filling the milk jug to just below the spout position. Lift the steam wand and insert into the milk jug. Lower the wand to be fully down. The milk should at least cover the steam wand tip, where the temperature sensor is located. Under the milk icon, select your milk type: dairy, almond, soy, or oat. If using alternative milks to regular dairy, due to their fat and protein structure, these will require different steam pressure, temperature, and duration to create silky microfoam. While alternative milks are harder to texture and overheat easily compared with regular dairy milk, the Oracle Dual Boiler's Auto MilQ function makes milk texturing easier than ever. Adjust the milk temperature and the milk texture for your desired outcome. Whether you like a hotter coffee or need a lower temperature for your favorite alternative milk type, this function helps you achieve the perfect cup. To start texturing, touch the milk icon. The screen will display the temperature of the milk as it heats. Milk texturing will stop automatically when the selected milk temperature is reached. Lift the steam wand to remove the milk jug. Wipe the wand and tip with a clean, damp cloth. Then, lower the wand to a downward position to activate automatic purging.